Humans have been crossbreeding animals for hundreds of years, and the results are amazing. Here are 10 real animal hybrids.
Ha! Amazing!
Number 10. The Liger. The Liger is a hybrid between a male lion and a female tiger, and is the largest feline alive today, weighing up to 420 kilograms. They have delicate striped patterns on tan-colored fur, that gradually fade away in different patches. Ligers are not known to exist in the wild, as their parents' habitats don't overlap, only being seen in captivity where they have been selectively bred. Number 9. The JagLions. These unique hybrid big cats are called JagLions, and there are only 2 known of in existence. Jazara and Tsunami are naturally born siblings, between a male jaguar and a female lion raised together at the same zoo, and now live at Bear Creek Wildlife Sanctuary in Ontario, Canada. Number 8. The Leopon. The Leopon is a very rare hybrid of a male leopard and a lioness, that's only ever been produced in captivity. The Leopon has stunning looks, much like a mythical beast, with the head of a lion and the body of a leopard. The first Leopon was created in India in 1910, and over a century later there are believed to be only around 100 in the world today. Number 7. The Grolar Bear, also known as Polar Grizz, Polizzle, Pizzly Bear, Grizzler, or Nanyalake. These impressive hybrid apex predators are a combination of grizzly bear and polar bear, and somewhat unusual in that they're seen more frequently in the wild than in zoos. The first confirmed sighting of a Growler was in 2006, confirmed by DNA testing of a strange-looking bear shot on Banks Island in the Canadian Arctic. It's likely that climate change is increasing the interaction of brown bears and polar bears in the wild, causing them to increasingly share overlapping territories. Number 6. Zebroid. A zebroid is a generic term for a hybrid of the zebra with any other equine. The zebra was first crossbred in 1815 and referenced in Darwin's The Origin of Species. The thinking at the time was that breeding would bring out the best of both species. Zebras were less susceptible to disease than horses, while domesticated horses are easier to train. Subsequent frequent breeding of zebras with equines has led to many different types of zebroid hybrids, Zorses, Zonkis, Zonies, Zedonks, and Zebmule, many of which are used as working animals, and all of which have varying degrees of unique zebra stripes. Number 5. The Wolfen. A Wolfen is a rare hybrid, born from a female bottlenose dolphin and a male false killer whale breeding. The size, color, and shape of a Wolfen is a blend of the parent species, giving them a truly unique look. Interesting Wolfen fact, they have 66 teeth, exactly halfway between the bottlenose dolphin's 88 teeth and the false killer whale's 44 teeth. Wholphins are known to exist in the wild, and referred to by fishermen as the Great Gray Beast. Your best chance of seeing one, however, is to head to Sea Life Park in Hawaii, where they currently have 2 Wholphins in captivity. Number 4. Cama. First created in 1998 at the Camel Reproduction Center in Dubai, these hybrid creatures come from breeding a male dromedary camel from Asia and a female llama from South America. The goal of this breeding project was to create an animal with the size and strength of a camel, and the wool production and milder temperament of a llama. Camas have no camel hump, and their size is somewhere between the camel and llama. Number 3. Beefalo. Beefalo are the fertile offspring of domestic cattle and American bison, known as buffalo. It's thought that the first crosses of these 2 species occurred around 250 years ago, followed by intentional crossbreeding from the 19th century onwards. The Beefalo was created to combine the best attributes of both animals, to improve beef production, but has sadly resulted in a serious setback to wild American bison conservation, with wild bison herds becoming polluted with cattle genes. Number 2. DZO. Originating in the high plateaus of Mongolia and Tibet, the DZO is a male hybrid animal of a yak and a domestic cow. Whilst males are usually sterile, the female hybrid, known as a Zomo or Zom, is fertile. These hybrids tend to be larger and stronger than both cows and yaks, and are prized for their productivity of meat and milk. Number 1. Geep. We finish our collection of hybrid animals with this cutie. The sheep-goat hybrid is known as a Geep, or sometimes a shoat. Breeding between goat and sheep does sometimes occur in the wild, but their offspring are usually stillborn. There are only 2 known cases of live Geeps, but these were sadly sterile due to the makeup of their chromosomes. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to make the algorithm god happy.